Okay, another YouTube rant. Don't get me wrong, I love YouTube. I've got a YouTube channel with currently 699 subscribers and over 70,000 views. I am so far from ever making any money on YouTube, it isn't even a consideration. In the eyes of advertising corporations, I am not even a speck on their radar. No YouTube influencer eye. It's impossible not to get caught up in the energy when clicking through the channels. So many fresh-faced, tech-savvy kids hyping video games, makeup, memes. The top YouTubers are charismatic, often funny, and they know how to appeal to their millions of subscribers and viewers in their specific demographic. Even discounting the corporate channels like T-Series, I have to look these up, kids channels like Coco Melon, and the hooky 5-minute crafts that clogs my Facebook feed every day. There are many engaging content creators who offer perspectives on a variety of topics. Peter McKinnon's photography channel, Jason Fenske's car channel, Engineering Explained, and of course PewDiePie, whose amazing success is the result of his unbridled and often outrageous comments and views on other people's videos, video games, and pop culture in general. So, why will I never join the monetized YouTubers Club? Probably because my channel deals with fixing and modifying middle-aged Porsche sports cars, presented by an older white guy whose enthusiasm is cloaked by his conservative Canadian upbringing. And for the fans of my channel, I hope that the content that I provide is helpful and hopefully enjoyable. And I really appreciate the comments and, of course, the subscribers that I get for my channel. It makes me think that somehow I'm not working in a total vacuum. Anyway, thanks. Oh, and one more thing. Watch for my new series of quickies. 1 minute, down and dirty, repairs and mods for your Boxster and 911. Ciao. Hey, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on that handsome racer dude there on the upper right-hand corner. And, of course, if you want to leave a comment, always love those.